Hello and welcome, I'm Palak Singh, and it has been 10 months since the so-called farmers protest begins. Using the word, the so-called farmers protest begins. No reason, nothing is happening. So many talks with government has been already happened, but no reason. And then Rakesh Tikait said that government is not ready to talk with us. So many talks, so many discussion has been happened. Rakesh Tikait, did you even remember? Or you need a pills to remind you? Okay, but it has been 10 months. Yesterday Rakesh Tikait said that we are going to do Bharat Bandh. Again Bharat Bandh. In May month he has also done a Bharat Bandh. It was about before 4 months. After 4 months, second time he was doing Bharat Bandh. You know what he thinks? That in India, any person said that yes, today we are going to do Bharat Bandh and Bharat will get Bandh. What nonsense is this? The so-called Bharat Bandh show drama flops. It totally flops. In Delhi, it was about Bharat, but the main agenda was to block Delhi and Delhi NCR. In Delhi, in Gurgaon, in Noida, in Greater Noida, many places in Haryana, in Rupi Nagar, so many places. No Bharat Bandh. Shops are open, people are going on their work, vehicles are running very easily, softly. There was no Bharat Bandh, and then Rakesh Tikait come in front of public and says, yes, Bharat Bandh was successful. What the hell Rakesh Tikait was saying? He speaks a lot, but I have some highlighted lines of Rakesh Tikait. Our Bharat Bandh was successful. Biggest flop. We had the full support of farmers. We can't seal down everything as we have to facilitate the movement of people. We are ready to talk with the government, but no discussion is happening. What you are ready, but government is also ready, but government has also done so many talks with you, but you are not accepting anything. Why Rakesh Tikait? Well, 3 weeks back, heavy rainfall occurred in Delhi NCR, where Rakesh Tikait is doing protest. Heavy rainfall. The water was loaded till knee. Yes. Rakesh Tikait's picture was getting viral by his so-called media. Otherwise, who will came out in this heavy rainfall? Which media? Just sleeping on the road, in this post, sleeping on the road and showing that we have to change the farm bills. He was trying to show that yes, even in this heavy rainfall, we are protesting. His only agenda through this pic was to show that he was still protesting even in this heavy rainfall of Delhi. And the worst thing is that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and this Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party and SP, BSP, all these parties are supporting. Yeah, if you remember that how the toolkit narrative was being exposed in the Fab month. You knew the names, the Greta Thunberg, the Rihanna, Mia Khalifa, Disha from India. If you remember these all names, these are all the toolkit narrative which was involved in this farmers protest. Then Rakesh Tikait think that he will blackmail the people of India, and people are fooled. They will accept this. People know your so-called protest. Nothing mean. You are just a paid source, Rakesh Tikait. You are just working under Sonia Gandhi, the Italian bullshit, stupid mafia, the Italian mafia. You are under the international pressure. And when just yesterday the Prime Minister came back from US, his trip from US, in these 3 days when he was going, he said that Joe Biden also talks on the farmers protest. Why? Joe Biden also knows. Maybe he not. Maybe even he not. Joe Biden is not a, our topic is not Joe Biden. But yes, what Rakesh Tikait is trying to show, the people will not came in his talk. The people will not accept what he was saying. He said Bharat will get Bandh. What he means India? India is a democratic country. Any public of India will came out and say we are going to do Bharat Bandh and Bharat will get Bandh. It is not that easy, Rakesh Tikait. Sanyukt Kisan Morcha has a power, and you are misusing the power of being an agriculture minister, the leader of the farmers protest. You are just misusing everything, Rakesh Tikait. Remember, the people of India will not come in your talks. People are smarter, but you are just making your impression lower every day. Remember. Thank you so much for watching. And also I will also add one last sentence, that the highways and the railway tracks are being blocked by the so-called farmers. Sitting on them, put at the barriers. People will not come in your talk. Remember, Rakesh Tikait, and one day you have to apologize with the people of India, with all the farmers of India, with the government, with the Modi government, even with also Sonia Gandhi, that sorry, I'm not able to complete your work. One day you have to make this statement by your so-called media. Thank you so much for watching.